Hey everyone, John for Popeye's Postcards. Today I'm going to show you my potential setup for the craft show I'm going to set up at. I'm going to set up at a local holiday gift bazaar craft show type thing, and it's at the end of November. And what I'm going to do is I've taken a lot of holiday cards and matted them, and I have some framed ones too. So I have no idea how this is going to go. I've tried this before at a regular postcard show and an antique show, and I sold a couple. This is just another experiment. See if I can sell these postcards in an unusual manner and see how we go. So let me show you what we're looking at here. So I'm not sure how the lighting is going to be here. It's kind of might be backlit a little bit. I'm currently set up in my dining room. So this is, I have an 8-foot table, and this is the display that I'll be doing. I have these magazine racks, got them for like 30 or 40 bucks off Amazon. And I can hold 60 some postcards between the two of them. And then I'll have room on the front. And then I have some nicer framed Santas. And then I'll have some more set up here. And I'll have a box of leftovers because I still have a whole bunch here and a whole bunch yet to be matted. So let me show you what we're looking at here. I have a lot of just really nice Santa cards, and I had these mats made. They're custom made for custom cut for postcards, and there are some postcards that just don't fit, but these mats have fit probably 96% of all the cards. So here's a nice, really nice Victorian Santa, and I'm going to sell them for 20 bucks, at least try to sell them for 20 bucks. Here's another beautiful Santa card. So most of my really nice Santas are about 20. Some of the other ones, like this is a anthropomorphic snowman carrying a Christmas tree, 15. This is probably my favorite Santa right here, and $20. Here's an angel with a deer, 20. Another good Santa here. So my wife did a great job of matching the mats to the cards. So I'm hoping for good things. Again, I'll have mostly Santas and Christmas ones displayed. I will have some local views. Let me grab one. I think this is Frederick, Maryland. $15 for a matted antique postcard of the town right down the road. And then some of these nicer framed ones here. 30 bucks. So just working on the table display. I don't have a whole bunch of room to display everything, but we'll see how it goes. This will be a short video. Nice purple Santa, $20. Just some of these cards are gorgeous. As I was going through them and showing them to my wife, to Matt, I was like, wow, I have some really, really nice Santas. And most of these I think would probably bring probably $10 to $15 on eBay. I did have this Santa. I have two of these Santas here. One listed for, I think it was $39, and he's been sitting for over a year. So I decided to repurpose him for this. See how he goes. Nice John Winsch. It's a nice Winsch Santa there. This one's awesome too. I think that's a gorgeous card. 20 bucks. There are some, I don't think I have any out. More of the generic Christmassy views that I think I have them for $10, like this. This is really a dollar box Christmas, $10. These mats, they cost me, I think, 27 cents each to mat. Really the cost of the postcards. Some I have purchased specifically for this reason, but I think the average cost with everything is, we'll say, $1 a card and 27 cents per mat. So really, cost isn't all that much. I am going to have a selection of Valentines and stuff like that. And I bought these little plastic easels from Amazon. They didn't cost a whole bunch. I think it was $9 for 24, but they fit cards pretty well. I think $15 for most of the Valentine's Day, and there's some Easter, and like I said, some local views in around Frederick County, Maryland. 15 bucks. Some New Year's, and I still have some more to get matted. So that'll be November 30th. I may do a live stream if it's going really well, or I may not. I'll at least record the day. Setup cost was $60 for a table, which I didn't think was horrible. So if I sell 2 to 3, no, if I sell 3 to 4, I'll be into the money. So we'll see how it goes.